Hi friends, this is me, Paper, Scissors and Magic, and today I'm finally making the second video of Evil and Good Pony series. You can find the link of the first part in the description. We'll use this lovely big Fluttershy figure because I couldn't find anything else. And we are making Twilight today. Very quickly getting rid of the hair. And then I tried to remove the eyes and failed. My nail polish remover just didn't work. So I decided to paint over them, and I have to prepare her body and head anyway. Nice and white. I'm painting an outline to split the figure in half. And I'm covering the kind half light purple. The evil part is gonna be way darker. Then I'm covering Twilight's hooves golden and Twivine's black. Looks pretty good. I'm sketching the eye on the nice side and then painting it. I'm trying to make a really happy and kind looking eye. I think it's alright. And I'm painting the evil eye with green, black and dark purple, making a great contrast between the two sides. Time to make the hairstyle. I'm using white air dry clay, shaping a big nice band that will go for both sides. Smoothing out everything. Then I'm just cutting pieces of clay the way I need it and placing it all around the head. I paint the nice part using classic Twilight Sparkles hairstyle colors. And for Twivine's part, I use black, green and purple. Let's add some magic. The more glitter, the better. And I want to do it for both sides. Look how shiny it is! Let's go crazy and add more magic right on the wings. I made the tail using the same materials I used for the hair. And I almost forgot about the horn. That's better. Also, I'm making some kind of black magic thing that will come right from Twivine's eye. If you know how it's really called, let me know. And the only thing we have to add is cutie marks. That's it! We did it! Thank you a lot for watching this video. See you soon with a new custom!